everybody, it's April from Crafty Goodness. I have a quick video for you today, DIYs for you that I've been working on, and I will jump right into it. The first one is this right here. I hope you can see it. So what I did was I have 4 of the faux dice from the Dollar Tree. I painted them a Waverly chalk paint white color. Then, because I was going to make this more of a blue decor, I distressed it with a Waverly blue color. I did it all the way around, so wherever whoever is looking at it from whatever angle, it looks good. I took the S, the N, and the W are wood letters from Dollar Tree. I painted those the same blue that I distressed the wood blocks with. I hot glued all of the blocks together, and I did it this way because I normally, when I've crafted with these dice, I normally go up, so I thought it would be fun to go to the side. So I went long ways, and so S, N, and then for the O, I have a snowflake. I'm so sorry, I don't remember. I think I did get this from Dollar Tree. I think it was like a pack of 6 or something over with their ornaments, and I just kind of dry brushed it with the same blue that I used all throughout. And then I hot glued all my letters down to spell snow. And then on the top, I got this cute little floral pick from Hobby Lobby. I believe it was $2.99 and then half off, so not a bad price. So all in all, let's see, I had to buy 2, so it's 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so all in all, this was a $5 craft. So not bad. And you could put whatever you wanted on the top to decorate it. So yeah, so I did that one. I thought that turned out really, really cute. So I have that. Then I'm really excited about this one. I made this little tiny cake stand. Look at how cute this is. Oh my gosh. So what I did was I bought a pack in one of my Hobby Lobby hauls maybe a week or 2 ago. I had hauled a bag over in their craft unfinished wood section, a bag of, I think it came with 5 of these. So this one is glued together, right? So it's really, there's 2 pieces here and I just glued them together. And then I took this part right here is a top from this little container that I found at Dollar Tree. It came in a pack of 2, and it's they had a whole bunch of different ones with different, sayings, and then the top was different colors. It really doesn't matter. I just grabbed the red because I knew I was going to be spray painting it red. But this one says Peace on Earth, and then it has some hollies right there. And they're nice little containers. They'd be perfect for, gift giving or whatever, but I specifically bought it because I knew I love this little scalloped lid. So I have another one that I can do, and I might do a black one. So yeah, so I just took the lid from there, and then I took my 2 pieces of the wood, the unfinished wood, hot glued. I think I hot glued and E6000'd it just to make sure that it stayed. Then after it dried, I took, oh, I'm sorry, I just moved you guys. I took this spray paint. It's apple red. It's my favorite red spray paint. I love it. It's Rust-Oleum brand. I was trying to find the brand. Yeah, so I sprayed it. I think I only did 1 or 2 coats. I sprayed the whole thing, let it dry, and this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I I can't wait to, you know, set something cute on it at Christmas time for decor or whatever. It's so adorable. So I have that. The other thing that I was this little snow globe. So this snow globe itself, it's plastic. I got it from Dollar Tree. They still have some. The last time I was there, they had some. The bottom part screws off, and I Mod Podged a thin layer on the bottom part, and then I sprinkled on some of the snow so the bottom layer would always look like it had snow on it and you wouldn't be able to see the plastic. When that dried, I then added in, everything in this project is Dollar Tree, except for this bow. I think that's from AliExpress. But anyway, so then I took a little snowman and that little street lantern, that's from the holiday, what is it, Cobblestone Corner or something like that, from the little winter village from Dollar Tree. I took the lantern, the street lamp, the snowman, and then these little trees are from those little mini, there was like a pack of 6 of them, I think, from Dollar Tree, and I just stuck 2 in there, and then I put the faux snow in. Then around the bottom, I need to go back over it because it's kind of messy, but I put twine all the way around the bottom, so you couldn't tell that it was, you know, kind of cheap and plasticky. And then I just put a bow right there. So yeah, I think that turned out super, super cute. Look how adorable that is. And if I wanted to set it on here, stop it right now. That looks so cute. I can't even deal with it. That might sit on there, you guys. It looks adorable. So I have that. And then the last thing I did, I was just kind of playing around with this. This says Happy Fall. I need to change it. These are both Dollar Tree products. So the base is the candle stand, the glass candle stands, which are so hard to find because everybody uses them for DIYs. I went one time to my favorite Dollar Tree and they were just putting them out, and I didn't want to be greedy because there was like a whole bunch of ladies behind me waiting to grab some too. So I only grabbed 4, and I should have grabbed more because now I can't find them anywhere. But anyway, I grabbed that, and then you can spray paint it whatever color you wanted. I painted it the Waverly chalk paint, and I think I did like the off-white ivory color. Then this right here is a little chalkboard that sits on like a little wood stand. It comes unfinished. I have a lot of blue in my house because blue's my favorite, so I painted it blue, and I just hot glued it and E6000'd it to the top. So this thing is on here, like it's not coming off. And I just had Happy Fall written on there, so I need to change it when I start decorating for Christmas. But I thought that turned out kind of cute. You know, if I do a Christmas, you know, when I write Merry Christmas, it would be really cute to kind of embellish up here, put maybe some pine cones and some holly berries and stuff. So I might do that. I might actually do that and make a red one. And then, yeah, I just had a light bulb go off in my head. But if it turns out cute, I'll do a video on it. So that is my little project share. I hope you all enjoyed, and maybe it inspired you to go out and do some DIY crafting with Dollar Tree products as well. It's so much fun to go in there and just kind of look and see and kind of stare at something and say, oh my gosh, I can do this with that, or whatever. But yeah, so if you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you a part of my YouTube friend group. I will be posting again shortly. I try and post at least 3 videos a week. It's usually more than that, but I will always have at least 3 videos a week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.